Then, as what I told you, example of non-formal is ALS, Alternative Learning System. One of the efforts, no, for our one of the efforts with supporting especially those out of school youth, no, that this strategy for the government, for the Department of Education. Community trainings, vocational programs, these are also connected to non-formal education. Many who drop out or fail in formal school relies on this type of education. So if literacy rates are low, it means non-formal system must help fill the gap. And that is why we have this government DepEd program, the alternative learning system, to fill the gap. Then bottom line, class, non-formal education serve as a second chance. Yes, it reduces inequality by reaching out our out of school youth and